Okay, we're doing a little unboxing of, this is the, Cassie wants to get inside of it too. This is the ice barrel we got for Christmas to ourselves, the gift of wellness, a gift that keeps on giving every day. So, oh lordy, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this out of here. Okay. This is going to be interesting. Ow. Owie. That was the lid. Okay. Okay, there's not much to it. Here she is, Miss America. Oh, okay. This is our little ladder. This is how we step inside of it. And hopefully there's a chiller in there. Otherwise we gotta fill this bad boy up with ice. Won't be too fun. There's our little spigot. I think that's the cover. What's this? I think this is for the chiller. Oh, that's a stand. Oh no, I lost my hat. Okay, so this is the all natural cleaning soap. Okay, I'm going to be reading these instructions and setting this thing up, so I hope you guys enjoy our next couple videos of us getting in the ice barrel.